I'm under witness protection program right now. I'll do what it takes just to protect myself. I am willing to change my true identity for the safety of my family and myself. I am in a city that's considered to be America's finest city and considered to have the largest zoo in the world. I know for sure that my life wouldn't be the same as it was before. I am having limited access in the outside world because my life is in danger. I am not happy at all because I'm always on the run. It's so hard to get in touch with my family because I'm always in seclusion. I just don't know what lies ahead in my life. I'm just hoping that I will still be able to see my loved ones before my life is over. I am just so scared right now. I'm so scared.